Seamark designs and manufactures the most technically advanced X-ray solutions on the market, derived from industry and customer insight. Turn on the machine and industry PC. Intuitive software and controls by mouse and keyboard. Start the software. Unlock on software first. Open the cabinet and place the object on the platform. Double locks on the cabinet door and software. Turn on the X-ray source. Click Navigation. Inspection begins. The platform support to move on XYZ axis direction. All core components are imported from Japan, Korea, USA. The X-ray tube and the detector can move on the Z-axis direction, which allows the machine to inspect the flaw size smaller than 25 micrometers. The detectors are the most advanced models on the market. It allows to tilt 60 degrees to offer a 2.5-dimension inspection angle. Simple click to locate the problem. Marking the problem and input the notes. Save the inspection image. Unlock the door and replace another inspection item. 55 times 45 cm size platform. Support different size and shape inspection items. The versatile design puts the control in your hands with adjustable power settings that optimize the inspection process to deliver the best results. Seamark X6600 support CNC inspection. Automatically inspect for same items in same position. Seamark X-ray technology offer consistent and reliable inspection results. All testing results can be read and transmitted by internet or USB disk. Seamark X6600 product safety in line with the Chinese and international standards. The products have obtained CE, FDA certification. Seamark also obtained the radiation safety license issued by the Chinese government and the exemption letter from the Environmental Protection Agency. The machine radiation test results in the field is less than 0.3 microsievert per hour. Machine is equipped with safety interlock. Emergency stop for preventing any damages. Seamark is the trusted partner that understands our customers' product inspection needs, and we dedicated to offering long-term product and application support throughout the life of the X-ray inspection system.